Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best tools for your everyday needs. Today, we have something that's going to make your cooking adventures so much easier and fun. The Sondiko Butane Torch S400. This is one of the top-rated butane torches on the market, designed with versatility and safety in mind, perfect for both professional chefs and home cooks. Whether you're working on your signature creme brulee, roasting peppers, or even grilling a steak to perfection, this torch is an absolute game-changer. The first thing you'll notice about the Sondiko torch is its sleek, durable construction. Made from professional-grade aluminum, it's not just lightweight but also built to last. The torch fits all butane tanks, which means you won't have to worry about compatibility issues. You can refill it with any brand of butane gas, whether it's a long or short nozzle, and it's easy to use. Simply slide the security lock to open, and you're ready to ignite. Safety is a priority with the Sondiko torch. It features a safety lock to prevent accidental ignition, and the long-angled nozzle keeps your hands safely away from the flame. The burn-free finger guard ensures that you won't get burned while using it, and the broad base keeps the torch from tipping over, which is always a good thing when you're working with high heat. Another standout feature is its adjustable flame. With the piezo ignition technology, the torch can be used at any angle, even upside down, making it incredibly versatile. Whether you're caramelizing sugar on top of a creme brulee or searing a steak, you can control the flame's intensity with the adjustable temperature regulator, reaching temperatures up to 1300 degrees Celsius. The continuous flame mode also allows you to maintain the flame without needing to hold the button down, which is a huge convenience during long cooking sessions. But this torch isn't just for the kitchen. It's a perfect tool for outdoor activities like camping, BBQs, and even lighting your fireplace or candles. Its applications extend far beyond cooking. It's useful for hobbies like jewelry making, arts and crafts, and even welding projects. In terms of design, the Sondiko torch is compact and portable, so you can take it with you anywhere. Its modern black and silver design fits well in any kitchen, making it not only functional but stylish too. The torch is refillable and easy to maintain, ensuring that it remains a reliable tool for years to come. To sum up, the Sondiko Butane Torch S400 is a top-notch product that offers safety, reliability, and incredible performance for a variety of tasks. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or a seasoned chef, this tool will undoubtedly enhance your cooking experience. So, if you're looking for a reliable and powerful butane torch, the Sondiko S400 is the best option for you. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for more details and to get your own today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Product Critique.